Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Celia. So today I'm going to show you my blazer collection. You guys know I love blazers. Like, I'm addicted. Even when I don't need them, I still buy them. Hence why I have so much. I don't even know how much I have. I don't really want to know because, and honestly, 95% or maybe more than 95% of this collection I haven't worn. I literally think I probably wear about 6 or 5 of all these blazers I have here. Most of my blazers I got from the thrift store. I love getting my blazers from the thrift store because they have different prints and amazing fabric you can find for so cheap. Most of my blazers I pay about $7 the most for my blazers. 3 blazers in my collection that are not from the thrift store. 2 are from Forever 21 and 1 is from TJ Maxx. The rest I got from the thrift store. I don't know, there's something about vintage blazer that I really love. Like I really love. I love the shoulder pads, and I'm an oversized girl. Like fitted blazer. I have some that are a little bit fitted, but I love more oversized blazers. So I normally get my blazers in large, extra large, or from the men's section in small or medium. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is a basic outfit that I throw on so you guys can see how all the blazers look on me, because I'm gonna do a try on as well. I would style some of these, but I think the video is gonna be way too long since I have so much to go through. And I did a out to wear blazer in the summer lookbook, and at the end of the video there's gonna be a link to that lookbook. So the first blazer I'm gonna show you is this one that I got from Forever 21 a couple years ago. This was in a small. It's really tight for me right now because I'm like a medium. I've gained weight. I think I got this when I was like probably 105 pounds. But so you can tell it's small. But I still like how it fits. Like, I like how this part fits. It's just the ends are really tight. So I think this is gonna go in my pile to give away. We all need a wide structured nice blazer, you know, and this is one of them. Next I have this one. This I did in a lookbook last summer. This is a linen blazer, perfect for summer because it's very breathable, very lightweight. This is in a size 8. Size 8 is what, a small or medium, but it fits oversized. This is nice. This is so me. Normally I would do just roll up my sleeve. So I'm gonna show you guys a trick that I normally do to keep my sleeve up all the time instead of rolling down. So I get a hair tie or elastic, whichever one you want to use. The hair tie to where my elbow is. Then I start to pull the blazer upwards. Then I kind of pull the blazer downwards to hide the hair tie, and that's how I keep my sleeves from rolling down, because I love the ruffles, like the ruffle looks. I love this blazer. This is so nice, and yeah, I love the length, I love the oversize, and yeah, this one I got this last summer. Most of my blazers I got last summer. This is original from Jones, New York, in a size 4. This is what it looks like. I love it. Again, I would normally just roll it up, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is nice. I even love it with this outfit and with my hair color. Ooh. This is nice. And you see how expensive these look, and I literally get them for like $6. I don't think I'm ever gonna stop thrifting. I'm sorry, I won't, because this is nice. Okay, so this is in a size small. I don't know the fabric. All I can tell is very light. I would wear this in the summer. By the way, I did not steam any of these blazers because the girl didn't have time. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go into my brown section, but this one I got in the men's section. This is extra oversized. I love everything about it. I love the shoulder pads. You guys know shoulder pads are in. Anything vintage is in. I've been looking for this color so long, and I finally found it. So nice. But this is like something I would wear in winter or fall time. Okay, so this one I got from TJ Maxx. I think it's a size medium, a size 6. I'm not sure, I don't remember. Okay, this is more fitted, and guys, how nice. How nice is this? Like, how nice is this? I can't wait to wear this. This is gonna be worn next fall, winter, because it's very hot. Like, I'm near now, I'm burning up because it's really heavy. But how nice is this? This is gonna be a long video. I'm sorry in advance. This one is what this print is called. If you guys remember the name of this print, then for sure comment below and let me know, because I don't remember. This is different because it doesn't have the color. It just, you know, shape really nice, so you can wear a nice necklace if you want to wear a nice necklace with this one. And yeah, did I say I got this from the men's section? Perfect for fall and winter. Most of my blazer that I have is for fall and winter because I feel like that's when you wear your blazers most. So yeah, this is a nice one as well. This one, most people probably won't like it. I don't know, there was something about it that I really love. Maybe it was the print that I don't normally see blazers like this. And it's in a size 8. Honestly guys, most of my blazers are dry clean only. And please, I'm begging you, listen to the instruction and dry clean your things, because I didn't and I'm paying. I'm gonna show you a few of my blazers that I mess up because I throw them in the wash instead of dry cleaning them. This is another one that is a little bit more fitted. I love it. You see, something about the print just makes it nice, right? Right. Okay, so I'm done with the brown section. So we're moving on to the black and white. I have this one. I wore this one before a couple times actually. This is one of my most worn blazer. This is another most worn blazer. It's not as heavy as the regular, but it's not as light to wear in the summer. So this is what it looks like. This is similar to the other one, so I don't know why I got it, but hey, whatever. I love the print. It's a little bit different. So you can see the prints are a little bit different. It is oversized. This is a normal fit. Roll up the sleeve and it's different. So this one is in a tweed and velvet fabric. This is in a size 12, regular degular. Looking ugly. Pull the sleeve up and there you go. This one was in my Christmas lookbook. This is a velvet blazer, I feel like, with a little bit of bling right here. The buttons are like ding ding, perfect for Christmas or New Year's Eve. Got this in the men's section as well. I don't know the size. I started this in a lookbook as well before. This is how I would wear it, with some biker shorts inside. You know, one of the buttons is missing, but we can fix that. I'm gonna get another button and put it right here, and then it'll be perfect for that. But yeah, okay, so this is the black one, like the white one that I got from Forever 21. So we're getting into a little something. So I got this and I haven't worn it. I love pattern on it, and that's the reason why I got this one. This is in a size 10. I love the beaded detail on it. Just gives a nice vibe. I think I would wear this with a black pants, all black, in the night for a night out. It's nice. This is one of my favorites. I've worn this one before. This is in an extra large from the men's section. This is probably one of the biggest blazer that I have size wise. This makes everything looks better in my opinion. Pull these sleeves up and that's the look. Love this one. This scream vintage. The buttons alone, I really love them. This is in a size 4. I could button it if I want. This is how it will look. Button. I wouldn't wear it like this actually. This one I got last summer. I haven't worn it, but this I will wear in the summer because it's really lightweight. One that I used in my Christmas lookbook. This is in the size 6. This is what it looks like. I love this detail like right here, where it has like 3 different pleats. So nice. So this one, I wanted to wear this as a dress, but unfortunately I am too, again, a little bit pound, so it won't fit me as a dress. I could have really steamed this blazer, but this is in a size 6. This one I wore in a lookbook last summer. Perfect for spring, summer. This is one of my recent find, and it's oversized. This is my favorite green one. I did a lookbook. This is the one that I focused on when I was doing my lookbook. This I'm gonna be wearing a lot during the summer. When I found this, I was so happy. Ooh, this is fire, okay? This color on my skin tone is heaven. This is so nice. My favorite, one of my favorite that I mess up because I throw it in the washer and dryer, and it was supposed to be dry clean. I've been looking for a color blazer for this like from so long ago, and I finally found it, and then I messed it up. Hopefully I can find another one. It shrink. Look at this end versus this end, and then this is shorter than this. I don't know if anybody knows how to fix it, if I can bring it to probably a dry clean and they know how to fix it. But this is how the original fit was. This is the original fit. And the sleeves were a little bit longer. But can you tell the original fit how nice it is versus this? This is what I did. Read your labels, do exactly what they say, because now I am suffering for it. Cropped blazer that I am planning to wear during the spring. Lavender is totally in. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video. Took me a while, my feet hurts, I'm so tired, I'm so hungry. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Comment below and let me know where you like to get your blazers. And yeah, so take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.